Hello students, welcome to Sufa E-class. In the previous lecture, we have discussed one example by which we have solved the simultaneous equation by the method of determinant, that is by Cramer's method. Now today, we are going to move towards the next topic, that is practice set 1.3. So student, now the first question from the practice set 1.3 is fill in the blanks with correct numbers. So this is a determinant which is given to you. You have to solve this determinant and you have to find the value of this determinant here. So if you will see, then you know the method how to solve a determinant. I have shown you in the previous lectures. So just we will solve this determinant. So this is 3, 4, 2, 5 which are written in the column. So we will solve this and we will multiply this 3 by 5. So here it is 3 multiplied by, so we are multiplying 3 by 5. So that we will write 5 here. Now minus negative sign will be given here as per the rule of solving the determinant. So now after that we will multiply 4 by 2. So 4 is given here, we will write here 2. So this will be 3 5s are 15 and negative sign will be as it is and 2 4s are 8. So 15 minus 8 it will be 7. So the value of this determinant is 7. The value of given determinant is 7. So student, you have seen that in this way we can find the values of the determinant. So student, this type of questions may be asked in the examination for 1 mark. So you have to keep in mind how to solve the determinant. You have to see this sign which is given here. You have to solve properly the multiplication and you have to give the signs properly and you have to find the value of determinant. In this way you can find the value of this determinant. So student, now let us move towards the next question. So student, we have seen the first question. Now we'll move towards the next question. So the next question is find the values of the following determinants. So student, 3 determinants are given here and we have to find the values for this determinant. So we'll take that first question, that first determinant we have to take here. So this will be negative 1, 2, 7, 4. So student, you know that how to solve this determinant. I have shown you in the previous lectures how to solve the determinant and how to find the values of this determinant. So first we will multiply this negative 1 by 4. So negative 1 multiplied by 4 and this negative sign will be given here. Now we will multiply this 2 by 7. So this will be 2 multiplied by 7. So student, 4 multiplied by negative 1 is nothing but negative 4 and this negative sign will be as it is. And 7 2s are 14. So student, this negative 4 and negative 14 is nothing but negative 18. So student, the value of this determinant is negative 18. Now we will move towards the second question, that is second determinant. So it is 5, negative 7, 3 and 0. So student, let us find the value of this determinant. Yes, definitely we will apply the same method here. So this 5 will be multiplied by 0. So 5 multiplied by 0. Negative sign will be given here. And now this negative 7 will be multiplied with 3. This negative 7 is multiplied by 3. So we will take negative 7 multiplied by 3. So 5 zeros are 0. And this negative sign will be as it is. And 3 multiplied by negative 7, that is nothing but negative 21. So student, it will be 0. Negative negative will become positive and this will be 21. So 0 plus 21 is nothing but 21. So the value of this determinant is 21. Now we will take the last determinant, last question, that is third question. So the third question is 7 upon 3, 5 upon 3, 3 by 2, 1 by 2. So student, we will apply the same method here. So now we will multiply this 7 by 3 with 1 by 2. So multiply 7 upon 3 with 1 upon 2. So 7 upon 3 is multiplied by 1 upon 2. Now negative sign will be given here. And now we will multiply this 3 upon 2 with 5 upon 3. So 3 upon 2 multiplied by 5 upon 3. So let us solve this. Now this numerator is multiplied with numerator and denominator is multiplied with denominator. So this 7 1s are 7 upon 3 2s are 6. Negative sign will be as it is here. And now here also we will multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So 3 multiplied by 5, that is 3 5s are 15 and 2 3s are 6. So student, if you will see that here the denominators are common. So we have one formula here. If A upon B equal to, if A upon B minus c upon b. So if denominators are common, we'll take denominator common, that is b, and we'll subtract the numerator, that is a minus c. So same this formula will apply here. So this denominator 6 is common here, so that we'll take 6 as it is, and now we will take 7 minus 15. So you know that 7 minus 15 is nothing but negative 8, because the sign of greater number is negative here, upon 6 will be as it is. So student, reduce this term by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So this will be negative 4 by 3. So student, this is nothing but the value of this determinant. So in this way you can solve the determinant. Now I have shown you this question in very detail, so that you can understand each and every step, how I have applied the sign and how I have taken the formula. So student, now this is all about the today's lecture. We have solved the questions from this practice set 1.3. Now we will move towards the next question in the next lecture. This is all about the today's lecture. Thank you very much.